Harriet, Bannon.
Hey, Mom. It's Mark.
Marky, are you okay? Where are you?
Look, I know I haven't called in a while. I'm sorry. We've been kind of isolated.
But where are you?
Not in France. Is Earl around?
He's out hunting rabbits with Frank and Emmett. Listen, how are you, Mark? Really, your letters, well...
Wish I could come home, Mom. I thought I'd do some good here, you know? Something Dad would have been proud of, but it's all just kind of screwed up.
Listen, honey, I'm proud of you. And I'm sure your father would have been too.
Yeah, well, you shouldn't be. I've done wrong. Some things.
If you did, you didn't have any choice.
I don't know, Mom. Hey, Earl always drinks when he hunts. He hasn't...
A little.
God damn it, Mom, you said you'd leave him if he did.
Mark, it's not easy. Where would I go?
Anywhere he's not. That son of a...
He's my husband, Mark.
Okay, Mom, whatever. Look, I gotta go. Gotta kill some more commies and make Earl proud. Take care.
Mark?
We had barely gotten out of the area when we got orders to head north to a Soviet naval yard on the coast. The information we'd retrieved from the plane wreck indicated that several nuclear submarines were tied up there, a greater number than usual, as if they were preparing for something special. It was decided by the higher-ups that since we were already in the vicinity, we would go in and destroy as many subs as possible before the Soviets had a chance to react. I think the colonel had something to do with that plan as well. It was just his kind of mission in so many ways. Take the enemy by surprise, wreak havoc, and then get the hell out of there before they understand what's happening. Again, we would be operating behind enemy lines, on our own, without backup. It was almost getting to be routine.
Approaching the LZ now. All clear. Check your altitude.
All right. The Norwegian Rangers report that the refueling process has started, and that gives us precious little time. Those subs must be destroyed.
30 seconds.
I expect 0 screw-ups today, and that means you, Bannon. You hear?
Touching down at 5.
We launch in 10. Get going. Eagle 6 to all units. Every second counts. Secure those subs before they leave port. Parker, you go for the closest one. We want to search them for any important documentation and then destroy them. Captain Bannon, you have the second submarine. Fight your way through and make sure it doesn't leave.
Yes, sir.
And don't screw up again, Captain.
Understood, sir.
Parker, NATO has provided us with some combat air support, and they have laser-guided bombs well suited to take out those bunkers. You can contact them on the fire support channel.
Need some troops on your drive. Shadow here, that was dead on target. Out.
We are rolling the drive into the position. Firing a heat loaded. Firing a heat. Move. Panzer is on the move. Driving all apart.
Parker, tell your men to look out for snipers.
Get her moving! Get her moving! Enemy spotted! Attack! Driving to the position. We're rolling now.
That
Can we
infantry
do
is
something
dead.
for you? We took out the target. Heat loaded. Engaging with the heat. Heat loaded. Fire!
Need a troop transport. Load the armor pit.
Bannon, report.
We're trying to break through, sir, but resistance is heavier than expected.
I don't want to hear about you trying, Bannon. Fight your way through and do it now.
Eagle 6! Eagle 6! I have Russian choppers dropping infantry all over the place. Their RPGs will wreak havoc on my vehicles.
Can we do
Eagle 6 here. Where the hell did they come from?
Right now, Commandant. Yeah, leaving. Hunting is leaving. Can we do something for you?
Go!
Can we do something for attacking this? I hear it. Good. We'll move right now. Sanson is leaving. We need to fix him fast. We'll patch him up, sir. Recovery of the armor is on the move.
Well done, Parker. Dig in while we wait for the engineers.
For the coordinates. Armor's moving now.
Transport here. What armor piercing ready?
We're shot at by a tank.
That hostile is dead.
Repair. Started repairs. Fixing the problem right now.
As secure as can be, Parker. Good job. The engineers have been held up, but they report they'll be here soon.
This is Delta 6. The second submarine is leaving. I repeat, the second submarine is leaving.
Damn you and your incompetence, Bannon. There's only one sub left. Parker, your objective is to secure that final sub before it leaves. Bypass Bannon and stop at nothing. Eagle 6 out.
Driving the recovery vehicle now.
This is Delta 6. My men report a large column of Soviet tanks headed toward the shipyard.
They'll probably come at us through the residential area. Bannon, I have new orders for you. Bannon, come in.
Bannon here! We just finished off the last defender!
About goddamn time. Now go to the residential area and set up defenses there. Ivan must not be allowed through until we've blown the subs. Understood?
Understood, sir.
I say again, Ivan must not be allowed through. Hold at all costs. Eagle 6 out.
Heavy tank reporting in.
This is Delta 6. My men report activity at a helicopter base located to the east. They're loading people onto transport helicopters.
They're gonna keep harassing us until we neutralize them. Parker, locate the base and destroy those choppers.
I've got a payload of cluster bombs and I'm on the way. Out.
Need a heavy tank now. Take out that hostile. Engage. Heavy armor here.
Airstrike across. Shadow out.
Got a target. I'm going to fix it fast.
Lots of hostiles spotted. Dead hostiles. Returning to base.
Nice going.
This is Ghost. Copy on the coordinates. I'm lining up for an attack. Out.
Recovery vehicle available. We'll move right now, sir. Repair that. Heading for the crane. Fix him fast. Repair that quickly.
Well done, Lieutenant. You saved us a lot of grief.
Let me do something for you. Engaging with the heat. Attacking with the heat. Heat loaded. Fire!
Heavy fire! Look out!
Angriff! We'll fix that. I'll reload the Sambo and take that target. Can we... Yeah.
This is Eagle 6 to all units. We've expanded our perimeter and advanced our positions. Keep the pressure up. Eagle 6 out.
Armor's compromised. Need a heavy tank now? Armor's compromised.
What should we do? Engaging with AP now.
What now? We'll move the Leopard 2 now. Armor moving on. Destination leaving. Blitz them now. Yeah, rolling.
I'm loaded with a bunker buster and heading for the target. Over.
Good orders for repair that, quickly. Started repairs, hold on.
This is Ambo. The laser guided is delivered. Over.
We'll patch him up, sir. Started repairs, hold on. Heavy driving to the position. We are rolling now. Enemy tank driving to the position. We got a kill shot. Leopard 2 reporting in. Commandant, we're on the way. Armor's armor, all out.
I'm over. We are moving. Driving out now.
Heavy Commandant, drive. Leopard 2.
I knew I could count on you, Parker. Well done. I'm sending the engineers in now. Hold in place until they've searched and destroyed the sub.
Started repairs, hold on.
Everyone and their grandmother are shooting at us with RPGs! Then set up some perimeter protection. Act like the captain you're supposed to be, damn it!
Order received. I will burn out the enemy. Cognac out. We're engaged!
Heavy armor, pull out.
Just give us moving now. Affirmative.
Parker, if you could take out Ivan's artillery, you'd make our day a lot easier.
The area is burning. Over. Copy on the target coordinates. Shadow is inbound. Over.
The armor is not fixing the problem right now.
Screw you, damn commies! Cut the chatter, Bannon.
Dead on target.
Next target.
Yes, yes. I'm armed and inbound. Let's grab some tanks. Over. We took down that
Fix that. Where do you want us? Willing, fix it. Ready, before that, quickly.
Yes, yes. I'm coming home. Finished here. Over. Shadow here.
They've got one of your units.
Over.
Bannon here. If we don't pull back soon, we'll be completely surrounded. Request permission to retreat. Denied, Captain. Hold in place.
Airstrike accomplished. Casualty confirmed. Shadow out.
The artillery has been destroyed. Well done, Parker.
About 2 hours ready to go.
Laser guarded requested. Coordinates received. Anvil out.
You need to hold a little longer, Parker. The engineers are still searching through the sub.
Keep going, men. Keep it up. Need a heavy tank now? Everything. Firing the heat. Next target. Enemy destroyed.
I'm loaded with a bunker booster and heading for the target. Over. This is Anvil. Laser
Bannon
guided.
to Eagle 6. We're catching hell here. There's too many of them, and we've got incoming artillery. We have to pull back. I told you to hold at all costs, Bannon.
Delta 6 here. My men just spotted a second group of tanks approaching from the east. We believe they're aiming for the first submarine.
All right, people, this is what we'll do. Bannon, withdraw to the first submarine and set up defenses there. Acknowledge. Got it, sir. We're withdrawing. Parker, the engineers are setting the C4 in place now. It won't be much longer before that sub is destroyed. Everyone hold position and stay clear of the railroad tracks. We have NATO bombers inbound with a little present for Ivan.
Recovery vehicle available. We'll fix that. Armor, fix him fast. There is speed on that vehicle.
Excellent job, Parker. We found some interesting documents and sea charts in that sub. We're trying to make sense of them now. The engineers will blow the charges any second. Stay clear. Parker, we have to flood that hole at the residential area. I want you to retake Bannon's former position and then hold. We only need a little more time. Eagle 6 out.
Leopard drive moving. Drive armors, combat ready. Armor started repairs. Hold on. Moving out with the repairs. We'll patch him up. Started repairs. Hold on. Affirmative. Heavy armor on the way. Hands right. Moving. Driving. Move. Moving.
Mission coordinates received. Commencing the attack run. Shadow out.
Heavy armor here. Out. Move. Here. Drive. Drive.
Shadow Out. Acknowledge. Mission received. Heading for the target area. Ghost here. I'm armed and inbound. Let's grab some tanks. Over.
Engage now! Enemy, yeah, rolling. Come on, moving.
I see dead and wounded on the ground. Weapons hit. Ghost down. Ghost reporting. I'm returning to base. The enemy's got hit. Over.
Rolling to that perimeter.
Shadow here. The airstrike is on the way. Over. I've got a payload of cluster bombs and I'm on the way. Out.
Need will roll out. Where do you want us? Willing, heading for that, quickly. Enemy vehicle destroyed.
Cluster bomb is delivered. Heading back. Shadow out. I hit the strike zone hard. Shadow returning to base. Out.
Taking heavy fire. Yeah, rolling. Hunts, get a move. Leaving. Going. Armor is ready to go.
Go.
We got a kill shot. Leopard reporting in.
We got gas and are ready to go.
We are rolling now. Heavy armor is engaging. Enemy spotted. Engage now. We'll get up and leaving. Going.
Should we move?
Yeah, engaging with the heat. One side defeated. Engage now. Engaging with the heat. Fire! Attack! Right now, armor's combat ready on drive.
Well done, Parker. Hold until relieved. Eagle 6 out.
Fixing the problem right now. Attack load hits the heat. Under. Leopard 2, got a target. Incoming fire. Fixing the problem right now. Where do you want us? Engage load hits the heat. Under. Heavy armor. Try one out. We messed that vehicle up. Target defeated.
Heading for the coordinates. Weapons are hot. Goes down.
Heavy engineers ready for duty. Big 7-5.
That's what I like to see, Parker. Keep strengthening those positions. Eagle 6 out.
Ghost here. Mission accomplished. The attack was a success. Out. Mission coordinates received. Commencing the attack. Shadow out. I've got a payload of cluster bombs and I'm on the way. Out.
Man in here! I've got Soviet tanks all over the place. I'm not sure we can hold. Over.
Damn it. Seems Ivan's going for broke. Parker, move your team towards Submarine 1 and assist Bannon. We're not leaving until that sub's been destroyed. Eagle 6 out.
Shadow missed the target. Over.
We'll move the Leopard 2. Yeah. Right.
Copy on the target coordinates. Shadow is inbound. Over. Acknowledge. Mission received.
Parker, have your men dig in close to the sub. My guys will hold the forward position.
I see dead and wounded on the ground. Weapons hit. Goes down. Ghost reporting. I'm returning to base. Enemy's got him. Over.
Unit lost.
Area will move right now, Commandant. We are heading for Dorothy. Can we do something for you? Everything. Driving all out. Moving. Armor is ready. Now moving. Heavy fans moving out. Answer. Moving.
target. Over.
Moving. Here, armor, moving out. Armor, we'll patch you up, sir. Started repairs. Hold on. We are ready. Moving to coordinates received. Moving.
Handle here. Bombs away. Returning to base. Out.
The engineer is ready for duty. Got a kill shot. Armor moving out. Driving, fixing the problem right now. Heavy armor here. We are ready to roll. Drive into the position.
Understood, Bannon. Retreat to Parker's position and hold in place. The engineers are putting the last charges in place as we speak.
Heavy well rolling now. He's ready to go. Look out for the enemy commandant.
Unloaded with a bucket booster and heading for the target. Over.
Keep going. Keep it up. Stand defeated.
Handle here. Bomb away. Returning to base. Out. Handle here. I'm inbound for bomb delivery. Out.
Enemy destroyed.
Naval dropping. Provide the coordinates.
We got the target through.
Cognac here. I've taken off with napalm loaded. Over. Napalm ready. The target area will be hot. Over.
Enemy destroyed.
Laser guarded requested. Coordinates received. Angle out. I got the visual on the area. Hostiles outgoing. Cognac out. Angle. The laser guided is delivered. Over.
We won't make it out of here, damn it! Yes, we will, Captain. Just focus on killing the enemy.
Heading for the boardings. Weapons are hot. Goes down. Goes yes. I'm armed and inbound. Let's grab some tanks. Over. The attack run was a failure. No enemies killed. Goes down. Ghost reporting. No kills confirmed. Returning to base. Out. Order received. I will burn out the enemy. Cognac out.
Recovery vehicle available.
That was exceptional, people. But I've got some bad news. Sea charts found in the second submarine point to a planned attack against several East Coast ports back home. I just spoke to Sakur, and we're being recalled to help defend them.
We're going home, sir?
We are. And you have a few things to answer for when we get there, Captain. Don't think I've forgotten.
Sir.
All right, time to withdraw, everyone. Today we made a difference. Eagle 6 out.